Hi, this is Jake with HRS. So High Rev Sports here. So we've got a new video we're going to do for y'all. We've got our 24 Camry XSE and our new X Series taillights that we're going to be installing. Really just going to show you how to hook them up. We're not going to actually take out the stock taillights here. These will install just like the stock ones do, but just for the length of the video and ease of installation purposes, we're just going to hook them up.
Okay, so there are numerous videos available on how to take these original taillights on the XSE. Now, once again, this is a 2024 Toyota Camry XSE. The removal of these taillights is very simple. There are videos available on YouTube that you guys can watch. And so this is more like an instructional video rather than installation video. So what we are doing over here is Jake is he just uninstalled that one socket from the inner light on one side and another side.
Yep.
And we already disconnected the main harness for the tail light, which is right behind there, right here. And then we also disconnected this one also. This is the plug for the original, so we disconnected it already. So we're gonna briefly connect everything and show you how they look.
And this is the X Series with the black housing. So
yeah,
we'll make sure.
So clear lens and black housing. All right, so go ahead. We're gonna hook it up real quickly.
Pretty simple.
Okay, same like the OEM plug.
Yep. Plugs right in there.
All right.
Connects right up. I'm gonna do the passenger side here.
And okay, that's connected. Now, once again, before you guys proceed with the installation, right now the car is not running. The car is completely shut off. Keys are in my pocket. So whenever you guys are doing installation on videos, on tail lights especially, make sure your car is not running. Okay, so we're just briefly connecting everything, and that's how basically you connect the tail lights. And then of course, when you are installing it, you have to remove the original one and put this one back in. Sometime if the light doesn't sit flush, you have to wiggle it around to make it fit. These are the screws, the bolts. One is right here, two are inside over there. When you are tightening them, make sure you don't go too hard on it because you might break it and it's going to be a problem. All right, so while the installation, the wiring is already done, we're gonna briefly test them. And here are the keys. And we're gonna briefly test them to make sure everything works, all right? So go ahead and turn on the parking lights. Now these lights doesn't have any startup animation, no RGB, nothing. They are just plain OEM tail lights. All right, now as you can see, everything works. And then we have our inner lights, it's working. And this is working as well. All right, very good. Now go ahead, brakes, reverse, and turn signals. All right, turn signals are good. All right, and the turn signal is only on the outer light. All right, go ahead. Yep, brake is working. Reverse. Oh, reverse is on the inner. There you go, it's working. It's working. Now give me a left blinker. Okay, right? All right, this is good. All right, so we just checked everything. Everything is working. Now if you are installing these taillights, simply remove the original one and put the X Series one on your car and you guys should be good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask.